Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, how you are watching Little Flower Convent School in Hanumangarh. Saint Little Flower, pray for us. As you are watching, what a pleasant environment, atmosphere, what a beautiful, knowledgeable, great source of wisdom for worshipping and praying inside, that tells us to be present in forever, to be in present forever, because the eyes of God is everywhere, even at lightless and soundless places. The eyes in the form of sky, everywhere observing, examining and knowing our internals, our all body organs. How are these working? These are being reported inside to the mind. Above it, our soul or spirit is the great source, or we can say the greatest source of knowing our celestial and eternal abode. You are watching here a natural scenery. We are here with nature, with having plants, trees, flowers, open sky and the earth. It provides us everlasting soothing effect of our mind and heart. For doing the meditation inside this place is worshipping, and it inspires us, encourages us, motivates us to do something for our soul or spirit. And it is rightly said that if we have soul power, self-confidence, then we can get success very easily. Then success comes behind if we are dutiful, honest, sincere for our duties. So a great source of learning through the spirit or soul, it provides us a great initiation, starting and beginning of the different missions. This place provides us time, place and action to do something greater, finer, nicer for our soul, for our family, for our society, for our nation. This is external beauty, but internally we have a great perception of God inside. He is always with us, everywhere with us. So we should thank God for the every moment of life. He exists at breathless places. He exists at wordless places. So we should be fearless and friendly, familiar with the air, fire, soil, sky and water by which our human body is made. Our human body, which is made by 5 elements, God exists. It shows that God has the power to show its presence everywhere, everything whatsoever we have, we should feel nice, fine. So nice to see you, nice to show you, nice to listen, nice to feel, nice to think. Today in this morning time, this rising sun presents us, teaches us, guides us, treats us. It plays multi roles. It gives us, it makes us multidimensional, multifaceted and multi-sided personality. No